Well, a week after the Election Commission announced the schedule for the Haryana Assembly polls, the BJP has now written to the poll body seeking postponement of the polls slated for the 1st of October, citing holidays. Listen in to what the BJP leader said.
कहीं ऐसा न हो कि वोटिंग कम हो जाए, परंतु मैं सभी से अपील करना चाहूँगा और चुनाव आयोग से जो हमारे माननीय अध्यक्ष जी ने लेटर लिखा है, उन्होंने चिंता जाहिर की है कि इस डेट को अगर कुछ आगे पीछे कर लें सभी दलों से बात करके, ताकि वोट परसेंटेज ज़्यादा बढ़े और वोट परसेंट ज़्यादा हो लोकतंत्र के हित के अंदर, वो ठीक है। परंतु उसको लेकर के माननीय हमारे प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जी ने लेटर लिखा है चुनाव आयोग को।
Now, the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party criticized the BJP, accusing it of panicking in anticipation of defeat. The Congress leader Bhupinder Singh Hooda also asserted that the BJP's request for a delay indicates that it has already conceded defeat. In a post on social media, the Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia said that if the BJP had done work in the state, it would not have been seeking postponement of the polls. Listen in to the war of words and the attacks that have come in from the opposition leaders.
और जब डिक्लेयर किया उसका एक हफ्ते से ज़्यादा हो गया डिक्लेयर करने के लिए ये बात थी। इसका मतलब वो चुनाव को टालना चाहते हैं और अपने हार मान चुके हैं। चुनाव समय पर जो है हमने धन्यवाद दिया था उनका चुनाव आयोग का, क्योंकि लोग एक दिन भी सरकार को नहीं रखना चाहते। ये क्यों टालना चाहते हैं, समझ से बाहर है हमारे चुनाव समय पर होने चाहिए।
देखिए, कई बार ऐसा तो हुआ है कि बीच में कोई बड़ा त्यौहार आ गया, चाहे वो हिंदू धर्म का कोई त्यौहार हो या क्रिश्चियंस का हो, मुस्लिम्स का हो, वहाँ तो इस तरह का हुआ कि 1 या 2 दिन चुनाव उस तारीख के बाद कराए गए हों। लेकिन ये कि लंबा छुट्टी का समय है, तो ये तो कोई दलील नहीं। उस भारतीय जनता की पार्टी का कार्यक्रम जैसे भी रहे हैं, उससे समाज जोड़ने की बजाय समाज कमजोर करने की जो दिशा में जो बातें हुई हैं, उससे हरियाणा के लोगों में नाराजगी है।
My colleague Amandeep is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Amandeep, the opposition leaders say the BJP has conceded defeat and it's getting nervous in the face of the elections. What are the reasons that the BJP has cited for seeking a delay in the assembly polls?
Well, Pratibha, the point is BJP has written a letter to Election Commission of India regarding the delay of polls to go beyond 3rd of October, just because it was a long weekend from 28th of September till 3rd of October. And even BJP intent was just that this weekend should not get impacted on the polling percentage. Just because, if we just see the political scenario, the more the vote will poll in the assembly elections, that will benefit to the BJP. The less the polling will take place, that will benefit the Congress party, and that is the reason. This is one political point, and in fact, other is that BJP wanted that poll percentage should be enhanced, and in fact, this long weekend should not impact it. And even in that letter, it was specifically mentioned that people might leave their hometowns and in fact enjoy their holiday to the outstations, and they will not be able to cast the vote just because the polling date is in the middle of that long weekend. And even it's not only the BJP, INLD has also joined the camp of BJP. They have also seeking the delay of the polls to go beyond the 3rd of October. But Congress is getting all opportunity. They are not leaving one single stone unturned for attacking BJP and asking that the BJP is now very much complicated into the situation, and they are into a very paradoxical situation that they are not able to deal with it just because people of Haryana is not wanting them to repeat again. This would be the 3rd time if BJP repeats, and in fact 3rd time turned out to be very difficult for a political party to repeat, and Congress is having very high hopes that this time they are going to attain the power in the Assembly of Haryana. So this is political war of words, but yes, the BJP is showing their intent that this long weekend should not impact it on the poll percentage of Haryana.